Hey there, Paul Rhodes for a Maintenance Mindset Minute, brought to you today by AppWork. Head over to appworkco.com and find out what they've got going on in terms of intelligence for your maintenance teams. I'm at an apartment community today, and walking around, I happen to notice something that I think is very, very present for us in this time, meaning season of the year. I mean, right now it's spring, and our air conditioning equipment is just starting to kind of get loosened up for the year. We as maintenance technicians also are starting to get loosened up for the year and looking forward to those nice, relaxing hours of work in the hot sun, getting ready to go. Well, this is also the time for us to get our properties in order. The example I have, and what I would like to point out, that from a strategy standpoint, it's a good thing to speak with our landscaping companies or to be sure that we're on top of it ourselves if that's the way our property has decided to go. What I'm looking at here is a condensing unit, and the condensing unit has a bush that is right up against it. Those leaves impede the airflow going into the coil. According to manufacturers, we're supposed to have 1 foot of space all the way around our air conditioning equipment, just like what you can see right next to it. This system has enough airspace and airflow all around it. We need to be sure that we're talking with our vendors and our contractors about the need for airspace that goes around our condensing units. So this summer, get ready early. Stock up your shop refrigerator or your office refrigerator with a lot of water, Gatorade, and even those little Otter Pops. It's a great tip to have for your team. It allows for a quick icebreaker, and it's nice and cool, especially when it gets really, really hot as the summer goes along. Thank you for joining me today on this Maintenance Mindset Minute, brought to you today by AppWork. I hope you have a fantastic week, and I'll see you somewhere.